Hello everyone, and welcome back to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today I'm going to be talking about the best app lock for your Android devices. So now one of these app lock that I personally like is the Norton app lock, because it's very simple, and the thing is it's free and it doesn't have any ads. So if you hate ads, this is one of the best apps you can use. There's no ads. You can lock it with fingerprint, you can lock it with pin, and there's a sneak feature. So what the sneak feature does, it will capture the picture of anyone that enters the wrong pin 3 times in a row. And yeah, so that's about it. Fingerprint works, pin works, pattern works. It's a great app. The other app that I would recommend is called AppLock. AppLock fingerprint and password. Okay, AppLock fingerprint and password. I'm not sure if it's over here or not. We're just gonna search for it. AppLock. Alright, it seems to be there's only one app lock, and that is this one. So you can also get this. As you can see, it does the same feature as I said in Norton. It will capture the picture of anyone that tries to log into your account. You can use a fingerprint for it, and you can also put in pattern, and it's up to 18 times 18, so that's a lot of dots to cover. So in my opinion, these two are the best apps for your mobile device. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.